Yeah, so good day, good afternoon, good morning, colleagues and system users. Welcome to Key Premium Solutions, Schools Learning Outcome Analysis System tutorial. Today we are going to look at how to sign up into the system and to use the services of the system. So the first thing to do is when you enter into your browser, when you open your browser, you type Cape Premium Solutions, RASS.com. And if you click on enter or hit enter, it will take you to the landing page. So over there on the landing page, you see the page, you see the school's learning outcome analysis system. And then you see two buttons, get started and sign in. So if you click, you can click on get started, you can click on sign in, it will take you to the same sign in page. Now, so on the sign in page, you need email and password to sign in. That is those who have already registered, that is those who have already signed up onto the system already. But in this case, we are now going to register into the system. So we click on sign up. So you click on sign up. On the sign up page, we have 4 steps to complete the sign up page. The first one is the account. The second step is the find school. The third step is location. And then the fourth one is the details. Now, on the first step, you put in your full name. You put in your full name. So it is the school admin who will sign up for the school. It is the school admin, preferably maybe the ICT officer or whoever whosoever have a very good ICT background who can manage the system. He is the one who is going to sign up into the system. So the school admin will sign up. That is the school admin. The role is the school admin. You will sign up onto the system. That is register your schools into the system. And also register after registration of the school, the details of the school in the system. Then you now add the teachers into the system for them to also log in and have access to their dashboard to enjoy the services of the system. Now, so this is the school admin sign up or registration into the system. So the full name of the school admin, then you pick your email, your preferred email. Let's say peterray@gmail.com. So supposing that this is your email, then you create a password. So in creating a password, you have to choose a very strong password. The password should be a combination, should be at least 8 characters, combination of uppercase letter, lowercase letter, number, and then a special character. So in that case, I'm going to choose my password, which should be at least 8 characters. So I'm choosing it. So you see, as you type, you see the strength of the password. You see the strength of your password. So as you are typing, you'll be seeing the strength of your password, whether it is fair, it is bad, or it is good. All right, so fair will accept, but if it is, let's say, weak, it will not accept. So please take note, fair will accept, weak password, it will not accept, and good and strong password are very, very good. So as you can see over here, my password is good. So we can accept it. So meaning I've covered all the criteria over here, at least 8 characters, one uppercase letter at least, the lower letter, number, and a special character. So all these things have been met. So that is the completion of the first stage. So when you are done, you click on next. The next will give you to will take you to the second step, that is you find your school. Finding school over here, there are some schools that are already in the system pre-populated. So what it means is that you type the name of your school. If it is in there, you just select. If it is not, then you, for instance, as you start typing, maybe Edwin International School is here. So if your school name is Edwin International School, which is already in the system, you just select it and go. But if your school is maybe Ray International, okay, so we have a Ray International School Complex. So let's say maybe your school name is Accra International Academy. So Accra International Academy. So your school is not here. So what it means is that you choose your school, you highlight your school as it is here. Then you click on my school is not in the list. So as we search, the school is not here. So you come and say what? My school is not in the list. Your school is not in the list. So if you click on my school is not in the list, it will take you to the third stage or the third step, where you are going to now select your region. Let's say my region is Volta, or my region, since it is Accra, maybe Greater Accra. Then the district you select maybe is around Accra, so maybe I also East Municipal. Then you select the circuit. Let's say Nima, Mamobi. Mamobi. So let's say the circuit is Mamobi circuit. Then when you are done, you click on next. The next to get to the fourth stage. That is where we have the details. So we have over here, you have to enter your school MIS code. You have to enter your school MIS code. Then the name of your school, that's Accra International Academy. And so then you select the school type, whether it's primary only, that is from KG1 to Basic 6, or it is JHS, or it is basic school. Basic school means from KG to Basic 9. So for instance, maybe my school is a basic school. So you select a basic school. You put in your number over here. You put in your number over here. So your telephone number will be there. Then if your school is, the status of your school, you select it, maybe it's public or private, you select it. Then you come here, you select the stream. If it is one stream, if it is a single stream, you choose it. If it is a double stream, if it is the stream A, B, and C, 4 or 3 streams, you select it, the one that is appropriate to your school. Then over here we have verification code. Verification code, referral code. The referral code is those who have already signed on to the system. They have a referral code. If they refer a school, they want to refer a school into the system, they share that referral code to the person, and the person use it, and then the system rewards that person who is referring the person to the system. So since we don't have the referral code, then you click on I have agreed to the terms and privacy policy of the system, and then you check it. After you check on it, then you click on complete registration, and your registration will be true. So basically, this is how the steps you use to sign up into the system. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.